Greetings from the Institute of Neurosciences in the Indraprastha Hospitals. I'm Dr. Renjen, Senior Consultant in Neurology and in charge of stroke services at the Indraprastha Hospitals, New Delhi.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Dinesh Chaudhary. I'm the Organizing Secretary for the 11th World Stroke Day Symposium, which is to be held on 3rd of November 2018.
On the occasion of the World Stroke Day, which is on the 29th of October each year, we are celebrating and we are having the 11th World Stroke Day Symposium.
29th of October is observed as the World Stroke Day, and World Stroke Day theme for the year is #up again after the stroke. If you or anyone ever had stroke, and if you are one of those who's caring for someone who had stroke, then don't be alone. We're there to help you. That is basically the theme for World Stroke Day. So #up again after the stroke.
Stroke, as we all know, is a preventable and treatable catastrophe. We are emphasizing on the World Stroke Day that stroke can be managed and can easily be managed if the patient comes to us on time.
So that's why we extend a very warm welcome to all of you for the 11th World Stroke Day Symposium that is to be held on 3rd of November 2018.
All of you are very cordially invited to be a part of this great event where you would have real insights into the newer technologies and newer methods of treatment of stroke.
Thank you.
Thank you.